Welcome, today I'm with iPhone 30 Pro Max and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, I'm going to start about the camera application, about the modes and about the tips that you can use. And after that I will move to the camera settings and I will show you all the features that we can apply here, the additional options that are just turned off as a default. So when you are in the photo mode at the first, we can quickly change the brightness level on the photos. So take a look, you have to click on the screen and then you have to move this sun icon. So we can decrease or increase brightness level manually. Just like that. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen, as you can see. The next option that we can use, tap right here and he'll gain this kind of the menu. So what we can do right here, we can for example quickly change the aspect ratio. So we can go for the square, that's 1:1, 4:3, it's set up as default, and 60:9. The best option is also to go for the 4:3 because here we got the best quality on our images, but if you want to change it, you can make it right here. In this place you can also change, basically control the exposure on the photos by moving the slider on the left or the right. So it's a feature from the Pro mode that you can find in the Android smartphones. Oh, that's cool that Apple add this option right here. And in this place we can also add timer, so we can go for 3 or 10 seconds for shutter. When you set up on the 3 seconds, we can take photo and we will get the 3 seconds delay. After this 3 seconds, the photo will be taken. And there it is. Let me just turn it off. Okay, and we can also go for other modes. So in the video mode, we can do the same. So we can change the brightness level, as you can see. In this place you can find panorama mode. So in this smartphone we can also find the ultra wide angle, where we can catch more details on the photo. I mean, more objects basically. That's the wide angle, and here we got the ultra wide angle. But you can also use this panorama mode to get more things, like it's good for the background shotting. Take a look. You have to press on the shutter and then you have to move to the right. You have to do it slowly. Keep your phone steady. Oh, I just mess up. I'm just put the phone a little bit higher. And the photo will be not looking good, but it's only example, so you will know what I mean. And when you finish, you have to tap on the shutter one more time and take a look. As you can see, we catch definitely more things on the photo than using this normal ultra wide lens. Take a look, you can just take a look on the comparison right here. So yeah, that's how it looks, and basically that's all. Here we got the standard mode like time lapse or slow motion, so everybody knows that mode, so there's nothing interesting to talk about. And right now I'm going to move to the settings. So take a look. In the settings of the camera we can find a few cool options. So the first one that I want to show you is use the volume up for bare shot. So if you want to take series of the photo, you have to enable this option and then press volume up or volume down button and take a look. We can take a lot of photos. When you release and go for the gallery, you can store all of these photos. You can select your favorites, you can just remove all of them, you can decide. We can keep, for example, this one. We can keep this one. And also we can save maybe this one. Then you have to click done, and right now we can decide if you want to keep everything or keep only 3 favorites. And the rest of them we are going to delete. As you can see, here we can find these 3 photos that we take with the series. Okay, and then another option, we can easily scan the QR codes with our camera. So when you enable this option, and when you got the QR code in front of you, and that's what I'm going to show you right now, but let me just grab my QR code. Okay, here I got it. So right now you have to be in the photo mode, put your QR code in front of the rear camera, and we can go for this selected QR code. So click here and then you can make the shared web or just copy and paste or send to each other. And there it is. In the settings we can also find the grid lines. So right now when you open the camera, we can find these help grid lines on the screen, and they help us to take better composition of the photos. So for example, if you want to put this plant in the middle, with these lines you are able to make it definitely easier. Take a look. And basically that's all. So there's nothing more interesting that we can apply. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.